Morning all. On the beach again, tide's out. First coin of the day. Coming at a solid 11. Oh, just there. 5p. All fingers and thumbs today. Good start, forgot my headphones. 5p. Underwired today. Come on. 5p to start. Onwards.
Good morning. Right, this morning it's Les, Neil and myself. There's Neil. Les is up there at Ocean Beach waving at us, and we thought we'd come down here and give it a go. It's a Saturday morning, one of my rare days off nowadays. Neil's just found 5p apparently. The tide is out, but it's actually on its way in. It would have been coming in before we got here, so we thought, no, we'll stay on the dry sand, though Les will probably wander off onto the wet. Les and I are going to come out again on Monday and go and do a wet sand session. But I've just had my first coin after a 23 false alarm. It's only an eyes only, but it's 10p. But that's the first of what will hopefully be many. I've only been here about 3 or 4 minutes, so let's keep going.
Right, morning all. Down here with Darren and Neil, as you can see, Ocean Beach. It's a bit windy. I'm on my phone recording, so I'm going to have to turn my back on the wind, I think, to keep down the wind noise. Hopefully it's you can hear it. But first target, 20p. Just the usual. Probably get a few of those. Oh. Yeah, 20p to start.
Right, I got my first 23 signal. Well, my second 23 signal. First one was a bottle cap. It's out. Oh, nugget. Pound coin number 1. This beach is normally okay to me. Sometimes it's really good to me. I'm happy with that. Yep, pound coin number 1.
There you go, 16 signal. It's really quite deep, that. I think that's another crusty 20p. Going to bear 20s again. Bit green and crusty, that one. But yeah, still, it's a coin.
Right, I got another 23 signal right under this slipway. Sounds promising, this one. Bang on 23, not moving. Oh, it's out of the hole. Aha. We got, yes, we have another nugget. Nugget number 2. Yeah, this one, you can always tell when they're below the water line because they're either brown or green. This is one of the brown ones. Right, anyway. Pound coin number 2.
Right, 20 signal. I'm in beach 2 still, and sensitivity is up to 22 now. Yeah. Spot the coin, just laying on the surface there. It's a 20 signal, so I'm not sure what that would be. Very toasted, whatever it is. Probably a modern penny. Just found a 2p just over there. Don't know what that is. Probably a modern penny, I'd say. I might get something off of it. Might be a farthing. With a bit of luck. There you go. Next coin, one of those.
Well, the next find is a little coin spill. Pound coin, a 20p piece. Just been over the hole, there's nothing else in there unfortunately. It's giving me a bit of a ropey signal, but I thought I'd dig it because I'm not really getting that much in the way of signals, apart from aluminium. I've got a £1.20, 2 coins.
Right, getting a load of signals around this bit. Just where that smooth farthing or whatever it could be. Yeah, getting good 23 signals, and there's another one there. 24, 25. A lot of copper nails I've been picking up, but just got this out of that hole there. It's a little, looks like a little fishing, you know, like the split shot used to come. Oh, no. That's just a little pot of washers. How strange. Oh, I must have been off a boat. I reckon a boat has been smashed up here. Probably off of that. Yeah, some little washers. Oh, there you go. Wasn't what I was expecting. But yeah, there's a few more signals down here, so probably all scrap. Quite a few. Alright, I'll dig a few, see what we get.
Next find, set of rusty old keys.
Right, I have another 23 signal. Bang on 23, it's not moving. Hopeful about this one. It's out. I can't be another pound coin or even a £2 coin. Oh, it is. Yep. Another pound coin. Pound coin number 4. Yeah, I've come over the slipway now. I've come away from Ocean Reach and now onto the volleyball beach. And that's the first good signal, but I've literally only just got onto here. So that's promising. Right, pound coin number 4.
Finally, after about 2 hours, I found something decent. He's winkled one out. £1. God, that's a long time coming, that one. I've done so much junk. Rusty old set of keys, ring pulls, screws, big screws. Finally, gets on.
Right, well, that's Sean over there. He's just going around the benches there, and he's just found a ring. It's a junker, but he called me over. I've just taken my jumper off actually, and 23 signal. Just kicked it out. So thank you, Sean. You've found me a nugget. Yeah, just come back to that, and 23 signal nugget. Nice, made my day.
Well, the next coin is another 20p piece. There's Neil down there in the wet. As you can see, the tide is coming in. It's turning to the wind. And Neil is getting pushed in. Still haven't seen Les though. But it's another 20p.
I think we have a coin on the surface. Oh, at 12. Could be anything. Look at that old tap. Cool, that's thin. What the hell is that? Yeah. Oh, he's dry. God dear. Taking lessons after Les. God, I don't know, get anything off of that. You never know. That is warm, to say the least. Yeah, I think that could be a coin of nothingness. I can't see anything on that. Anyway, it's a coin of some sorts. Few and far between today. Right, it's not messing with gloves. Carry on.
Well, it might be a bit windy actually now. Coin on the surface. 16 signal. Oh, actually, that's what I've another 20p, but there's another one on its edge just there. 2 20p's. Excellent. Oh, and there's something else. Can't see that one. There somewhere. Oh, bloody crap. I found me. Just there. Oh, let's see if I can find where'd that crab go. Put my hand in there. Oh, there it is. Another 20p. And a crab. That's my scoop. I think that's it. Yeah. I might have a little search around this area. See if there's anything else. No, not bad. 60p.
Right, next coin is another 20p piece. Getting a little bit of run of coins at the moment. Nothing spectacular, but it's another 20p.
Well, that was a lot of digging. Oh, just tell them to get the one, get it out. I'll say something else then. Yes, a little bullet. Is that 4.5 cal? Bigger than 303, isn't it? Bigger than 30. Yeah. Right, that's that. Tide is upon me. Where is it? It's creeping up. Oh dear. Right, I'm destined for the beach again.
Alright, well, that was a good signal, and it's a pre-decimal penny. Queen Elizabeth II, Britannia. Great condition for these in these stones here. Yeah, I didn't think I'd be finding a pre-decimal today. That's quite a nice coin. Can't see the date, but yeah. There you go, pre-decimal penny.
Well, the next find, I'll have to cover this up. The next find is a Naked Lady lighter. I just thought I'd cover that up. There you go. Naked Lady lighter.
Oh, not the greatest signal. That was quite deep actually as well. That's a nice fishing weight, that one. Breakaway. Found a couple a day, but that's a really nice one. Might keep that one just in case we go fishing.
I have another one, another 20p.
Well, it's quite a deep signal, this one. Oh, it looks like a quite clean 20p. Day of 20p's today. Done all right on them. Right, see if we can find one more nugget. That'd be good.
Well, I do apparently appear to have found a little hotspot. It's It's my first one of these today. 50 pence. I'm actually starting to do quite well now. My first 50 pence of the day.
Oh, wandering along the beach, as you do. There's a funny seashell. It's got writing on it. I don't know what it is. So look. Oh, blimey, I know. It's an aquaria. What the hell's that? Oh, that's a nice little shell. That could be the find of the day. Aquaria. I'll have to look that up. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take that home. Somebody get a Christmas present. Damn cheapskate. Here comes Darren. I bet he's been cleaning up. Got a dustbin lid with a coil on there. Mopping it all up. Us boys with a runt coil don't stand a chance. Never mind. I bet he's got a few doubles. We'll see.
Right, well this took some finding. Really, well, it wasn't that deep, it was actually in the sidewall a bit further down, but I think that's a fruitny bit. Trying to keep you out of the wind. Let's put that in the water. Tide's coming right in, yeah, it's a fruitny bit. Good condition too. See the thistles there. George VI. Yeah, that's a nice little find that. Took me ages. Tide's right on us now, so pushing you back up the beach. Alright.
Well, I caught up with Neil and I've asked him to come down and help me do my little hotspot I've just found. And I've just found another 20p. And this one obviously has been down here a hell of a long time. But anyway, still no sign of Les.
Right, we'll just kick this out. Giving a 26 signal. That is shining away. It was just over here. Just kicked it with my foot, thinking it was a 2 pence. That's got to be silver. It does feel quite light. Well, it's a ring. Nice.
Right, well I have another 20 pence. Seem to have hit the mother load round here. I have no idea how many that is, but it's another 20 pence.
Well, it's another, oh, it's a 10 pence. Thought that was something else then. 14 signal. I wasn't going to bother doing round here, but I think, I thought Darren and that had been all up this bit, but a couple of targets, so I'll go find a few more, see if I can find a few more. Oh, here comes a dog.
Right, I have another 23 signal, but in a very dubious area. There's a lot of scrap here. So this is probably going to be a bit rubbish. But you never know. Still turn up as a 23. Let's have a look. Oh, I do not believe it. That has just finished the day off. I think that actually puts me up over £10. A double nugget. I can't believe that. This is a very dubious area, very scrappy. Double nugget.
Oh, that was coming in at 25 signal, that. 22, 25, but that's a nugget. Little fresh drop. Yeah. I wonder if there's anything else there then. Let's have a quick look. Ah. There's a deep 16. Oh, that is an. Well, that was a 23 signal. It's dropped to 18 now. Oh, it's one of them little bottle caps in there as well. I think that's what was confusing the signal. Oh, I might dig that 16 out. It's quite deep, so.
Right, well that is it. That's the end of another session. Got Les and Neil just to my right. Just seen Les. I haven't spoken to him yet, so I don't know what he's found. But that double nugget, closely followed by a penny, the only penny I found all day, and my last 2 coins. So I have done exceptionally well. I think I've taken over £10 today, which is unheard of in Southend at the moment. It's normally a Clacton thing, that. As I say, all things considered, good day. Now, if I don't get called into work, which is a possibility that I might, but if I don't, then Les and I will be going out again the day after tomorrow, and we'll be going out on the wet sand to do a whole session on that. So we hope to see you then. So until then, bye-bye for now.